welcome to San Diego! Yari kayo kay Tito Alvin, anong oras na? Ay, si Tito! Hi, tita. Dito si Tito.
Cheers!
Ano, iyak kayo dyan, tita, no? Hindi kayo sama-sama. Kung pinili nyo yun dito, damdamin nyo ng pera dyan, diba? Ang nakaraan. You're having a good time. Ayan, no? Ayan sila. Reunited. I'll visit you in UK. Yeah. Pwede pa kayo sumama eh. Ay, sorry. Ayan, safe na sila dito. Okay, bye.
Gugulat ka, maluwag. Nakita mo iba, di ba?
Ang ano nang dito, parang Saudi Arabia.
Oh, yan.
Ganun, kailaw sa dami.
Yeah.
Pabalag muna. Ano, for day 1, ano na?
Day one.
What time is it?
Is 4:52.
August.
August
13.
13. The 13.
And we have
First
Tito
day.
Alvin, day 1.
Birthday in the USA.
Yay!
Birthday in USA.
Alright, for context guys, they came from UK and in UK they went to Nevada to LAX. Now they're here in sunny San Diego!
Next to Canada.
Next is Canada! Tinang Aiza! Nicole! Yay! 3K! Dita Wela, 7 o'clock na po, gising pa rin po sila. Hindi ko talaga malaman sa kamay ng Diyos. Kinokontrol ko na po talaga, Tita Wela. Pero parang na-jablo na po si Tito Alvin dito. Hindi ko po alam ano nangyari. Pero kanina pa po, inoorasan ko po sila, hindi po natitigil eh. Oh, cheers.
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 Ang tagal-tagal, hindi ko
Baka
na...
makita ng mga ka-brother ko yan. Huwag mong mabata. Kasi walang maglalag sa akin, brother.
Kailangan nila makita ang tunay na buhay na nangyari dito.
Na brother eh. Baka...
It's only Sunday.
Sudis ba tawag doon? Sudis.
Sundays.
Lo...
Sudis ka ba?
Sundays.
London.
Sundays.
Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a cup of tea?
Ano mo yung tuwan mo? Anong tawag sa ano?
New Queen.
Yari
They
ka.
find each other. Is he okay? Is fighting with the lonely? There's some differences. You don't know that. Don't this and what is that? They have something different.
I got only a beer.
And it's
It's the
good.
first day in San Diego.
Wala pang day 1. Ilang oras pa lang na dito yan. Tito.
It's only 3 p.m. in.
Kaya
Ang ganda ng araw. Ay, nabutan na pala kayo ng araw dito. Guys, it's 7:12 a.m. And inabutan na po sila ng araw dito.
We started 6 p.m.
Pinagyapag niya po na po, boss. 6, 7, tagal-tagal na sila. Tagal na sila nag-iinom.
hindi pa.
No only connection 6 a.m.
6
This is
2 a.m. 2 a.m.
2 a.m. 2 a.m. 3,
We're
4, 5,
talking
6,
about-
7. They've been drinking for 5
talking-
hours now.
You talking about this? This is the next day.
Second day.
Second day sa kanilang multiverse. I'm going... Venue pa sila. Nag-change venue pa sila. Ang titindi talaga nila. Ang titindi nila, nandito lang yung park. Hindi sila naglakad. Nag-inom lang sila. For today's video, ito nautusan pa po ako guys, no? Nautusan pa po ako, nakamuha pa ng 4 na beer after nung medyo may pakatulong. Wala kayong sombrero ha?
Okay lang.
Ano masasabi niyo dito na yung...
Nandito na kami.
Ano masasabi niyo, happy ba kayo?
Nandito na kami. Kasama si Cloud9.
This is the last shot for 8 o'clock in the morning.
Ayun yung sinabi nila 2 hours ago. So I'm not gonna believe anything at this point.
It's true.
Anong nasasabi niyo na nandito si Tita Alvin? Tell me, from the heart.
It's really like it's a miracle. The thing is, really, I love it very much because it's a fulfillment to my life.
Ilang beses nyo ito pinagdasal na mangyari itong panahon na to?
It's been forever. Since then, I'm praying for these things happen.
Bakit?
God is good.
God is good.
You cause what I prayed.
Na, ano masasabi nyo kay Tita Wela?
Ate Well, thank you very much for keeping us alive.
Sabi niya, see you soon.
See you soon in San Diego.
Okay. Morning! Day 0! Eto sila na dito pa rin. Di ba na? Vicky!
He's looking at me. Oh, look. Oh, he's open the door. Oh. Okay. Oh, you want to ride? Right there. Oh, you step inside. Oh, step inside.
Oh!
Oh, step inside. Step.
Tito, ano siya, more mekaniko siya. Gusto niya lang yung wheels.
Sit here.
Boko, boko, boko.
Go inside.
Now, welcome to San Diego! Woohoo!